Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Last session, children, we completed with jumpstart exercise and I had explained you how we are going to complete it and I hope you all have completed it. Now we will be continuing with the lesson Food We Eat. Children, do you know where we get our food from? Any guesses? Yes, supermarket. Very true. We get food from supermarket. But where does the supermarket gets its food? Where does it get from? I will tell you. There are two sources of food. Let us see what are they. Can you see on the screen, children? Food such as egg, milk, cheese, fish, meat, and chicken. They all come from animals. They all come from animals. Now let's see the next slide. Now here we can see fruits and vegetables. Yes, where do they grow? They all grow on the plant. Yes. Did you know that people who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses are called as vegetarian people? Okay. The people who eat fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses, they are called as vegetarian people. Okay. And the people who eat meat, fish, and eggs are called as non-vegetarian people because that food we get from animals, not from plants. Okay. Now I would like to tell you what are cereals and pulses. Cereals are grains used for food. For example, wheat, maize, jawar, bajri. These all are cereals. Pulses are dried beans and we get protein, fibers, vitamins and minerals from pulses. Pulses means seeds that grow in pods. For example, kidney beans, black eye beans that is chawli, yellow pigeon that is tur dal which mama makes with rice. So I hope you all have understood what are cereals and pulses. Now we are going to learn about keys of eating healthy. Now here keys we always use to open the lock of our door. But here there is something different. Children, do you know the keys of eating healthy? I will tell you. First listen. The door of good health are open with the keys. Now here this key we are going to use for our good health, for to open the door of our good health. Eating too much will make you fall sick. You all have to listen carefully, children, what teacher is saying. Eating too much will make you fall sick. Eating too little will make you feel weak. Understood? When you eat too much, you will fall sick, and when you eat too little, you will feel weak. So, eat the right amount of food to avoid being sick. You should eat right amount of food where you will not fall sick. Now, 4 little meals at fixed time each day. We are going to see 4 little meals which we eat on time. Now, first is breakfast, that is at 8 o'clock. Lunch, that is at 1 p.m. Snacks, that is at 4 p.m. Dinner, that is at 8 p.m. These are the 4 meals which we need to eat, and these are the keys for our good health. Okay. Now 8 o'clock in the morning you should have your proper breakfast. You should not skip your breakfast because at night when you have your dinner you sleep and there is a gap of 12 to 13 hours. Okay. When there is a gap of 12 to 13 hours, your stomach is empty. So you need to take a proper breakfast in the morning and heavy breakfast. Then at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you should have lunch, proper lunch. Chapati, bhaji, dal, rice, and salad, which should be proper. Then 4 o'clock, you have to have your snacks with cup of milk. You will have little bit of snacks. And then comes a dinner time, that is 8 o'clock. That time you can have light dinner in the night. Okay, so these are the 4 meals in a day, important 4 meals in a day, and the time to eat on time. So I'll repeat again. First is breakfast, second is lunch, third is snacks, and fourth is dinner. Okay, and if you keep all this time properly, eat everything on time, you will keep yourself healthy, and that will help you to study and play well. Okay, now don't eat too fast and don't eat too slow. Chewing food is a good idea though. You have to chew your food well. Okay, look at the screen, you can see. You have to chew your food and eat, and when you are chewing your food, eat slowly. Don't eat too fast and don't eat too slow. Okay, so you have to chew your food well. Now, some food we cook and some food we peel. Okay, whatever you eat, make sure that is clean. You can see mama cooking food in the kitchen. Yes, eat well cooked food. You have to eat well cooked food, not unclean food. Clean food you have to eat. Now, some food you like and some you dislike. But wasting your food can never be right. You should never waste food. Even though if you don't like, take a little bit of it and finish it off. But do not waste it. Now, what are things you should keep in your mind when you are eating? Wash your hands before you eat and after you have done. Wash your hands and rinse your teeth. Okay, when you wash your hands after eating, not only wash your hands but you rinse your teeth, because small particles of food is get stuck in our teeth, and that creates a cavity. So you should rinse your teeth after you eat your food. Now next very important thing is drink 8 glass of water every day. For that it is healthy and it keeps us healthy. Okay, you have to drink 8 glass of water every day. You start from today. Count your glasses of water, how much you drink. If you drinks 8 glasses of water, you will always remain healthy. Now, the important thing is, when we eat our food, how do we eat? Do we take it in our hand? No, we take plates. Okay, plates and glasses. So eat in a clean plate and drink in a clean glass. That way you won't fall sick and miss your classes. I hope you have all understood what teacher is saying. Okay. So all these things, whenever you eat your food, you have to keep in your mind. Chew well, then you should eat clean food. If you don't like food, take little bit of it, but do not waste it. Wash your hands after eating and also rinse your teeth. 8 glass of water you have to drink every day, and use clean plate and glass. Okay, for today's day, this much is enough for the session. We'll be meeting in the next session with further details. Thank you children. Bye.